our player of the game. 22 points off of 19 attacks, 1 block, 2 aces, 12 excellent receptions, and 9 excellent digs. None other than MV Ponds! Siyempre, Bernadette, pag-usapan muna natin ang 5 sets na nilaro ng Creamline na yun. Kamusta naman yung naging roller coaster ride na yun para sa inyo?
Una-una, sobrang saya kasi nakuha namin yung game na to. And sobrang ganda lang din talaga kasi yung reminder ng team kanina sa amin na huwag kaming titigil hanggat hindi natatapos. So kahit na nakuhanan kami ng set, nalamangan kami, nandun pa rin kami, laban pa rin.
Ngayon na kanina before the game, you did tell me, of course, na whatever happens, kukunin nyo ang game 2, ilang sets pa man, ilang points pa man. Now that we are going to a game 3, what is on the practice plan for the Creamline Cool Smashers?
Siguro mamaya mag-rest muna kami. Kailangan namin maka-recover. And then tomorrow, training na ulit kasi sa Saturday na ulit yung game. So yun, laban. Hindi kami titigil hanggat di namin na-defend yung crown.
Siyempre, Pont, I have to ask, anong klaseng puso ang ipinakita ng Cool Smashers na yung gabi?
Puso ng champion!
Pons, now is your chance to greet the many fans here with us in the Araneta Coliseum. Go ahead.
Thank you so much sa lahat ng mga nanood. Maraming salamat po. At sa lahat ng mga families namin na nasa bahay, thank you so much. Sa lahat ng Creamline supporters, sa Creamline management, kay Mr. and Mrs. Nang. See you sa Game 3.
Alright, Pons, again, our player of the game. Pwede mo nang kulayan ang kwento ng Game 2 na yung championship series. Go ahead. Back to you, Bumanil.
Thank you very much, Franny. 16 points.